Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jaden. It's Saturday today and we are going up for a morning drive with the gang in JB. So we have around 15 cars here joining the ride together. So usually what we do in morning drive is we will gather at one place like this Shell petrol station around 6 to 6:30 AM, and then we'll go for a ride, enjoy the drive, and then we'll have breakfast together, chit chat, talk about cars, have fun. So it's quite simple. Later on I will show you what are the cars that are joining us together. So we have this Audi A7, Mazda Miata MX-5, Honda CRZ, then we have this beautiful Hot Wheels Mustang. Look at that. Then we have this FD2R. Morning, Sean.
Hey, morning.
Morning.
Hey, how are you?
Good, good.
Nice to see you.
Then this, another MX-5. This one is hardtop. Then you have Lancer, 86, another 86, Tesla, wrapped in this amazing color. Yep. So everyone will gather around here and then we'll depart. The destination today is Kota Tinggi. If you are from JB, you know what's the place like. So it's not actually about the destination. We're just gonna enjoy the journey, enjoy driving with good friends, enjoy good conversation. Yep. Let's go, guys. Everyone is moving. Look at the Tesla. Woo! Look at that. Look at the beautiful sunrise, guys. this is where we make the U-turn, because in front there is Kota Tinggi waterfall, but it is permanently closed already since the MCO. So we are making a U-turn there. Okay guys, we have arrived at our first stopping point in Kota Tinggi. So since the waterfall is not open for us, then we're gonna park here and just chill. Okay, so I will show you what are the cars here in a better angle or better lighting, because just now it's early in the morning. You don't have enough sunlight to see the cars, right? So let me show you. So starting from the first one, you have this Ford Ranger. So this is actually one of the car of our leader, Akma. So Akma actually owns another Porsche Boxster, 718 Boxster. So today he's just gonna bring his Ranger. He humble a bit. And next we have this Mazda Miata, soft top. Then Lancer bolt-on turbo. This car Spitfire. Then BMW F30, Suzuki Swift Sport, and this is mine. Just love the color. And you have this beautiful FD2R.
Maybe 2 weeks one every weekend.
Check out the engine bay. So this is a perfectly stock Honda FD2R. One of my favorite cars too. Nice. So even though it's a 10 years old car, it still looks so modern these days. Next you have FE, Cooper S, and HRV. Then again, the flaming Mustang. This is the Instagram of the owner, Raven. I think this is the one and only Mustang in Malaysia with this kind of liveries. X50. Nice wheel setup. Then this pink FE. Beautiful Avant GT wheels, endless brake calipers. Insane. So I'm gonna show you the view of the destination first. It's kind of like Mount Akina. Hello. You have this wider section of the street where we can park our car along the street. You don't need to worry about whether there are enough space for the car of the opposite lane to come or not, because the waterfall there is already closed, so nobody else will come out from there. So it's just us. So normally we'll just park our car here and then we'll chill, talk about cars, enjoy the time here together. So like I said, it's not about the destination, it's about the people. We enjoy good conversation, good companion. Look at that. So it's like this. So since we have around 15 cars, we have to split to 2 different sections. Just like that. So the first section is like this. Yep, look at that. It's kind of like Mount Akina's view in Japan. That Hot Wheels Mustang is just looks so sick. The flames livery are just insane. Moving on. Yeah, let's check out the second section. You have again the Miata ND 2.0. This is auto. Then you have 6 Series M640i. Then you have E90. Then Ativa. Tesla in this amazing livery. Person, I think. Good. Then Audi A7, Volkswagen, then CRZ. And that's further down of the road. This is how it looks.